Hello there, you amazing people. Welcome to another video of DPDR Fridays. This is the video series where we give DPDR the middle finger, tell it we want it out of our lives, and we want to get back to our normal selves. And in today's video, I want to talk about something really important, which perhaps you haven't even considered, which is doing a super duper gold star premium platinum plated recovery plan. Recovery plans are really important for people with DPDR because they're not really sure what to do to recover, and they achieve a lot of things. First of all, they give you a bit of hope. They also give you a bit of direction and focus so you have something to work towards. And hey, they also help you recover. So that is another cool thing as well. So let's go into what is actually in your recovery plan. What should you put in it and what should you do? Things to consider for your recovery plan are you doing the things you need to do to progress? One of the big things I can recommend is to get out of all the Facebook groups. Don't go in all the forums on Reddit. Don't watch every single YouTube video you can find on it, trying to find a magic cure, because there isn't one. All you're doing when you're doing this, engaging in this stuff, is you're prolonging it. You're maybe even making it worse. But I do understand why all the groups are there, and they are there with a good heart and good intentions. Also consider who can you reach out to support: family, friends, co-workers, kids, parents, whatever. Having a support network is really important so you're not alone in going through this, and so people can really understand that you're having a bit of a tough time right now. And, you know, they can be an ear to lean on, they can help you, and they can do all this other great stuff for you. Another really big one is, I know there's a ton of material out there about DPDR and all the tips and tricks about how to recover. Are you actually looking at them and implementing them? You do it once, it doesn't work, and then you're like, oh, okay, now I'll have to look for the next sort of best thing, which is going to help me. Implement the tricks, implement the tips, like anything that you read that is going to help you, start implementing. What else to put on your recovery plan? We have started to get a nice little plan in action. One thing you can consider as well is perhaps talking to a professional. So whether it's a therapist, psychologist, psychiatrist, counselor, you know, I do coaching to help people through it. Whoever it is, consider talking to someone, because you know what? This is really new for you, isn't it? Or maybe you've had it a long time and you've tried everything and nothing's working. That really sucks. Maybe you need a little bit of help. It's okay to ask for help. If you had a broken leg, you'd go to the doctor and they'd give you help. So if you're having issues with your thinking and with your mind, there's no shame. It's actually very healthy. It's very courageous, and it's very normal to go and seek help to get you to where you want to be. Also, for your action plan, consider what you're doing. Consider what you're eating. Are you getting regular sleep? Are you eating good, nutritious food? Are you doing exercise? So consider, be really brutally honest with yourself. What are you doing in your life right now in terms of exercise, nutrition, and sleep? And to help you cope with some of the symptoms in the meantime, are there things that you can research that will relax you, such as meditation or mindfulness or breathing techniques or relaxation techniques? Or if, you know, if none of those resonate with you, consider what you do to relax. Is it walking on a beach, listening to music, having a bath, walking in the forest barefoot, whatever it is, flying a kite? What can you do to sort of calm you, slow you down, get your nervous system chilling out a little bit? Because right now it's in overdrive. Whatever it is, write it down on your list and make sure that you, you practice those things and actually do those things to give you a real fighting chance. And really, my friends, that's it. I really encourage you to physically get out a piece of paper and a pen and start writing your list down. And the reason I say a bit of paper and a pen as well is because when we are writing with a paper and pen, because it actually physically takes us longer to write the things, we actually think about them a little bit more rather than just typing on the keyboard. A lot of people can type really, really quickly. So you can sort of splurt out all this information into the Word document without really essentially thinking about what you're writing. But if you do use a paper and pen, then you're physically allowing yourself, giving yourself the time to write it down. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've learned a little bit from it and it has given you some hope and giving you a bit of direction. And if you have liked it or learned anything, then consider liking the video and also subscribing. And until next time, I will see you all later. Bye.